Hello and welcome. My name is Jules and let's talk about angel oracle cards. Now these are not tarot cards, so we don't have some of the more negative messages, like the hangman and death card and everything like that. The oracle cards are light, positive messages to help you guide on your path, whatever that is. So then the angels are nudging you in the right direction. They are specific, direct messages to you about your life or about somebody else's life if you are reading for another person. Now, in this course, we don't have the guidebooks. It is intuition and it is the angels' messages coming through us. I keep it very practical, comprehensive, so it's step by step. And we also have practice sessions, as many as you want, via the Facebook group afterwards. And I encourage you to do reciprocal readings, especially when you don't know the person, because then you know you've really got it. So we will do that in the Facebook group. It's all free. It's all added on as a bonus with this course. And we will continue with our spiritual journey. I will be showing up and I'll be talking to you about different aspects of spirituality as well. And we will continue our journey. And let's shine our light. Let's deliver hope and guidance for people, including ourselves, but for other people as well, especially in these uncertain times. So looking forward to meeting you.